Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, Kean Morgan tells us about an initiative by the military which aims to inspire boys.
Members of the military on the compound of the Pleasant Valley Primary and Infant in Clarendon. But it's not due to a security issue. They were there to share their experiences with the young boys in hope of inspiring them to great things in the future. The army men were joined by other professionals to engage the young boys in discussions and character building activities.
We are in the rural area and our boys are not exposed to many things that is happening out there. So we, the guidance council, members of the guidance counseling department, come together and arrange to have so the memorable boys is something that boys can think about.
School is not just here for academics. They have to provide opportunities for students to develop all their capacities. And so activities like these play a part in that role.
While getting these professionals to volunteer their time for a day is good, it could be even better for parents to partner with the school on a long-term basis.
PTA is very critical to schools' development and school function, and that is one of the problems in many schools. PTA meetings are not well attended at some schools, so we really need the parent to work together with the school, because if the home and the school work together, it can only be better for the students.
Errol Horton, who is an education officer for Region 7, which covers Clarendon, says the ministry is already responding to the weaknesses identified in the most recent PEP exams.
Generally across the island, sometimes the boys may outperform girls a little, but we really need all, both boys and girls, to step up on the performance. So performance, we really have been working on that.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kean Morgan.
Ray of